What's up, Poke family? This is Jeff back with another video. As you can see from our guests that just walked by, we're going to be trying some different stuff. Maybe get some luck from our furry friends here. This is Arya. She will help us go open some cups. Alright, we're going to see if Arya will help us open up some Destined Rivals here. We're going to do some shorts, so we'll do a series of this and see what we get. Alright guys, we're going to be opening this rockin' pack still with Arya around. We'll see if she will show her face anymore. But make sure to give the video a like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one.